Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to search seller on DHgate. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to search for a specific seller, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to search for the products. Also, you'll be able to search for the seller. Now simply enter the seller name over here. Or if you do not know the seller name, you can also simply search for the specific product that seller might be selling. Now you'll be able to see the product sold by that sellers over here. You can simply tap on any product. Now that particular product will be opened. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to see the seller. If you tap on it, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option store that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to view the profile of that seller. Now you'll be able to purchase the items from that particular seller. So like this, you'll be able to search the seller on DHgate. So that is how you search seller on DHgate. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.